All right, go.
Brings, tall, creeping, hung, parked, now, small, marked, clinging, breach, creeping, hung, parked, now, small, marked, changing, breach, drive, walls, parked,
changing,
now, small, marked, clanging, breach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, small, marked, clanging, branch, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frowned, clanging, branch, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frowed, soy, malls, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, fraud, soy, malls, crude, how, drowning, froze, grapes, forward.
And stop. All right. So here, yeah, no, that's okay. So for here,
branching,
right here. For breach right here, circle that one too because he said French. Okay. So where did he stop?
I thought one right here.
On frowned. Okay.
The mall.
Right here. Okay. So how many words is that? 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66.
Minus 3.
Right. So he got 63 correct. So you're going to write that here. And then 3 errors. All right. So now, Dylan, you're going to take a turn marking his page, and he's going to read them off of here. All right? Ready, James?
Sure.
Okay. And go.
Brings, tall, creeping, hung, park, now, small, mark, clanging, breach, creeping, hung, park, now, small, mark, cleaning, branch, drive, walls, park, now, small, mark, cleaning, breach, drive, walls, drowning, frozen, small, mark, cleaning, branch, drive, walls, drowning, frozen, grapes, frown, clinging, breach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, soy, malls, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, soy, malls, crud, how, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, soy, malls, crud, how, tall, brings, grapes, frown,
and
soy,
stop.
malls.
How do you say? I just wonder. Is that crude?
Crude, right? It kind of rhymes with rude. Okay. So go ahead and put the line where he stopped.
Malls 80. Malls 80.
Right there. Okay. So that's 70, 71, 72. Minus how many mistakes did he make?
4.
So then this should be 70, correct. Okay. All right, so now that you guys get the hang of it, we're going to take one more turn and then a second try, and then you're going to do it with me, okay?
You just want to say all of it correct.
No, I'm not going to say it. You're going to say it,
Oh.
just so that I can see where you're at after the practice, okay? So now it's Dylan's turn again. Ready, set, go.
Brings, tall, creeping, hung, parked, now, small, marked, clanging, breach, creeping, hung, parked, now, small, marked, clanging, breach, drive, walls, parked, now, small, marked, clanging, beach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, small, marked, clanging, breach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frowned, clanging, beach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frowned, soy, malls, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frowned, soy, malls, crude, how, drowning, froze, grapes, frowned, soy, malls, crude, how, tall, brings, grapes, frowned, soy, malls, crude, how, tall, brings, hung, creeping, soy, malls, crude, how, tall, brings, hung, creeping, now, parked, crude, how, tall,
And
brings,
stop. So where did he stop?
95.
95.
95 and 94. It was brings or hung.
Okay. So
That's none.
on the second try here, you're gonna write how many?
He got all the
95.
He got all of them correct. So 95 and 0 errors. You see how you did better that time around? Good. All right. So now it's his turn. All right. Ready, set, go.
Brings tall, creeping, hung, park, now small, mark, clean, breach, creeping, hung, park, now small, mark, cleaning, breach, drive, walls, park, now small, mark, cleaning, breach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, small, mark, cleaning, breach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, clinging, breach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, soy, malls, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, soy, malls, crude, how, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, soy, malls, crude, how tall brings, grapes, frown, soy, malls, crude, how tall brings, hung, creeping, soy, malls, crude, how tall brings,
And
hung.
stop.
90, hung.
Okay.
No, that was 90.
And how
That was
many?
94.
Okay.
I
And
got 3 rounds.
3. Okay. I like that you marked those differently than the first round so that you knew the difference between the first try and the second try. So go ahead and write his score there. All right. And now I'm gonna watch you guys take a turn, and I'm gonna time you guys and score you. All right. So this is Dylan's, right?
Mm-hmm.
So Dylan, you can go first. All right. Ready, set, and go.
Brings tall, creeping, hung, parked, now small, marked, clanging, breach, creeping, hung, parked, now small, marked, clanging, breach, drive, walls, park, now small, marked, clinging, breach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, small, marked, clinging, breach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, clinging, breach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, soy, malls, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, soy, malls, crude, how, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, soy, malls, crude, how tall, brings, grapes, frown, soy, malls, crude, how tall, brings, hung, creeping, soy, malls, crude, how tall, brings, hung, creeping, now parked, crude, how all, tall, brings, hung, creeping, now parked, mall, mark, small.
Okay. So right there, you got through all of them, and you still had some time left. So you got 2 wrong out of 100. So correct is 98. But I'm gonna note that you did that in like 45 seconds instead of 100. I'm sorry, 60.
Minute.
Yeah. Okay. So 2 errors. Okay. You see how you did better though?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So that's your book. And you can practice reading off of his while I do you, okay? Are you ready? And go.
Brings tall, creeping, hung, park, now small, mark, cling, breach, creeping, hung, park, now small, mark, clinging, breach, drive, walls, park, now small, mark, clinging, breach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, small, mark, clinging, breach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, clinging, breach, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, soy, walls, drive, walls, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, soy, malls, crude, how, drowning, froze, grapes, frown, soy, malls, crude, how tall, brings, grapes, frown, soy, malls, crude, how tall, brings, hung, creeping, soy, malls, crude, how tall, brings, hung, creeping, now part, crude, how tall, brings, hung.
And stop.
I kind of like he got like 3 wrong. from
Yeah.
marking.
Okay, so for here, read this word.
I don't know how to say that one. Is it
What is
clanging?
this?
Clinging,
What's that letter right there?
cleaning,
That's an A. What does the A sound make? Ah. Clanging. Clanging. Like this clanging sound of a bell. Right?
Okay.
So clinging is when you're together. You're holding on to something.
Clinging.
You're clinging onto something, right? Clanging is a noise.
Oh.
Okay? So clang with the A, you're reading it clinging instead of clanging. Okay? So there you got up to, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you got 3 wrong.
92.
So, yep. All right, good job, guys. Thank you.